Good day everybody, we've been given this question. Two systems are there, x is equal to x and x is equal to x negative 1. For both these systems, x takes all values over the real number, or I would say over the real field. Meaning is all real numbers. That's the understanding of this. Now let me consider the first system where x is equal to x. If I take x is equal to say 8, then 8 is equal to 8, which is true. Now if I take x is equal to say negative 1 over 8, then negative 1 over 8 is equal to negative 1 over 8, which is true again. Now if I take x is equal to 0, then 0 is equal to 0, which is true again. So this means x equal to x as all real numbers as solution. Okay, so no matter what no matter what real number or what number you take, and x given the condition being element of R, all of the entire domain will constitute the real numbers. So what it means, if you had to draw a line, so x is equal to x, this means y is equal to x and y is equal to x. So if you had to draw the graph, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, and so on and so forth. So this graph is a straight line passing through the origin. So the meaning is all of the points on this line will form the solution for this particular system. Okay, so that is for the first part of the given question. So let's move on. So now let me consider the given second system. So x is equal to x negative 1. Now what I wish to do is I'll move this x to the other side. I get x minus x is equal to minus 1. I get 0 is equal to negative 1, which is a contradiction. Okay, so that means the system has no solution. So what is the meaning of this? Suppose you're drawing a graph of y is equal to x. So this is the straight line graph. Y is equal to x is this, passes through the origin. Now next graph is y is equal to x negative 1. So for this, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to negative 1. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to negative 1. So there is an intersection over here. And when y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, and y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So this is the point. So if the point is going to be connected, so y is equal to x negative 1 is here, and y is equal to x is over here. The graph is just an approximation, so you have to ensure that you are drawing it as a straight line. So these two, L1 and L2, are straight lines. L1 and L2 are straight lines. So clearly, is there an intersection? So we can state it from the graph. L1 and L2 does not intersect. Does not intersect. So this means the system has no real solution. The system has, maybe you can state the word real solution. Okay, so these are two beautiful questions which are testing you on the mathematical concepts. Thank you everybody. Please like, share and subscribe.